To evaluate the value of the unknown variable j, we are given the value of all of our other variables, a, b, c, d, e, and g. So to solve this question, we will need to do two steps. One, we'll need to substitute in the given variables, and two, we will need to isolate the variable we're trying to solve for. And in this case, step 2 is already done for us. J is completely isolated on the right-hand side of the equation, so all we need to do is substitute in our values. Starting with this fraction right here, we have A, which is 24, over B times C, which is negative 2 times 4. And then that is minus this fraction over here. We have D times A minus C, so we have negative 3 times 24 minus 4 over E plus G, 7 plus 3. And now we can begin to simplify. Starting with our leftmost fraction, the numerator is as simple as it can get. Our denominator will need to multiply negative 2 times 4, which will give us negative 8. It's minus. Over on our second equation, we'll do our numerator first, and we'll have to use order of operations, starting with P for parentheses. 24 minus 4 will give us 20. So we'll have negative 3 times 20 over 7 plus 3. Then we'll do multiplication next. Negative 3 times 20 will give us negative 60 over, and then addition subtraction. 7 plus 3 will give us a positive 10. Minus 60 over 10. We need to be especially careful of our negative signs here. We had a negative 60 over 10, which overall gives us a negative value. So we are subtracting a negative, which in math is the same thing as adding a positive. See how the sign changes? That could have given us a completely different answer if we did not catch that. Now let's continue to simplify. 24 divided by negative 8 will give us a negative 3, plus 60 divided by 10 will give us a positive 6. And then finally, negative 3 plus 6 will give us, adding a negative is the same as subtracting a positive. So 6 minus 3 will give us a positive 3, making answer choice D our correct answer.